Hey everyone, let's get real for a second. You've probably heard whispers about Gemini, Google's latest and greatest AI model. It's supposed to be mind-blowing, right? But here's the burning question. Can you actually unleash the power of Gemini without submitting to the Google overlords? I mean, who wants to hand over all their data just to chat with a bot? Today, we're diving deep to find out if Gemini freedom is possible. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly recap what Gemini is all about. Essentially, it's Google's attempt to build the most advanced and versatile AI model on the planet. We're talking about a system that can understand and generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and even answer your questions in an informative way. One sounds pretty impressive, right? But as with any powerful technology, there's always that nagging question of privacy. 1. Medium.com. Medium.com. Exploring the possibilities. So, can you truly experience Gemini without a Google account? Well, the short answer is, it's complicated. Let's break it down. The official Google route. This is the most straightforward, and arguably, the most restrictive, way. You'll need a Google account to access Gemini through Google's official channels. This might involve using Google Search, Google Assistant, or other Google services that integrate with Gemini. Pros: you get access to the latest and greatest Gemini features directly from the source. Cons: data privacy concerns. Google collects a lot of data, and using their services means sharing your information with them. Third-party applications. Some third-party applications might offer access to Gemini-powered features. These apps often act as intermediaries, allowing you to interact with Gemini without directly using a Google account. Pros: potentially more privacy-focused, as you're not directly interacting with Google's core services. Cons: you're relying on a third party, which may have its own data collection practices. The level of Gemini integration might be limited compared to official Google channels. The quality and reliability of these apps can vary significantly. The wait-and-see approach. The AI landscape is constantly evolving. It's possible that in the future, more independent and privacy-centric ways to interact with Gemini or similar models will emerge. Pros: you avoid any potential privacy pitfalls of current options. Cons: you might miss out on the benefits of Gemini in the short term. Let's talk about those privacy concerns. When you use Google services, you're essentially feeding Google a massive amount of data about your habits, preferences, and even your thoughts. This data is used to personalize your experience, but it also fuels Google's advertising machine and allows them to build incredibly detailed user profiles. Data collection. Google collects data from various sources, including your searches, browsing history, location data, and even your voice commands. This data is then used to train their AI models, including Gemini. Personalized experience. While personalized experiences can be convenient, they also come at a cost. The more data Google collects, the better they understand your preferences, making it easier to target you with ads and manipulate your behavior. The black box problem. AI models like Gemini are complex and opaque. It's often difficult to understand how they make decisions or what factors are influencing their outputs. This lack of transparency raises concerns about potential biases and the ethical implications of using these powerful systems. So, what are the alternatives? Open source models. There are a growing number of open source AI models available. These models are developed and maintained by the community, giving you more control over your data and how it's used. Decentralized AI. Some researchers are exploring decentralized AI architectures where data is processed and shared in a more secure and privacy-preserving manner. Focus on privacy-preserving techniques. Techniques like federated learning and differential privacy are being developed to allow AI models to learn from data without compromising user privacy. Right now, accessing Gemini without a Google account presents some challenges. While third-party apps offer some potential, they come with their own set of risks. The best course of action might be to stay informed about the evolving AI landscape and explore alternative options that prioritize user privacy. Support open source projects. Consider supporting open source AI projects and initiatives that prioritize user privacy and data security. Advocate for stronger privacy regulations. Demand stronger privacy regulations that protect users from data exploitation and ensure responsible AI development. Educate yourself. Learn more about AI and its implications for your privacy. Understanding how these systems work is crucial for making informed choices. The future of AI is still unfolding. While Gemini represents a significant leap forward in AI capabilities, it also raises important questions about privacy, control, and the ethical implications of these powerful technologies. By staying informed and demanding responsible AI development, we can help shape a future where AI benefits everyone, not just the tech giants. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.